Do you know that the president of Nigeria has been given reasons by a group of Niger Delta Renaissance Coalition why he should sack the Minister of Niger Delta Affairs, Godswill Akpabio? This group also wants all members of the IMC, which is the Interim Management Committee of the Niger Delta Development Commission, sacked. You can actually see that this is what this group fears. But President Muhammadu Buhari, the president of Nigeria, is yet to act on this. The president also said that some of his appointees have abused trust by misusing their offices. A lot of corruptions at the EFCC and as well the NDDC. Reports on the misuse of 81.5 billion in just a few months by the IMC has been pointed out to the National Assembly. They said this was done under the watchful eyes of Godswill Akpabio, who happened to be the Minister of Niger Delta Affairs. Now here is a question I want to ask. Do you think that the financial recklessness in Nigeria has continued? The serious thing is the group has further said that the acting MD, Prof. Keme Mondi, and his IMC colleagues should not remain in office a day longer. Is Nigeria now always faced with a lot of cases concerning fraud, corruption, self-enrichment, abuse of power, financial recklessness? You can name it all. Oh, let the president match his words with his actions. Let the president match his words with his actions. This is what people actually feel. I mean, they feel this way. This group has actually pointed out reasons why this minister should be sacked. A lot of embezzlement of funds, a lot of misuse of power and position. Why do we keep hearing of these cases? All these cases in such a government that claims to be fighting corruption. You know, what I will keep saying is that this government should be accountable to the people. It should be there to serve the people and not themselves. The citizens of the country and not themselves. It is there to serve the people. There should be credibility in all their actions. The leaders of Nigeria must possess these qualities: accountability as well as credibility. But if we keep hearing of cases of financial misconduct, abuse of power, as well as position, and most especially embezzlement of funds, as well as corruption, which is now at its peak, it simply means that the government is not doing its job. The reason they were elected was not for selfish purposes or gain. They were elected to serve the people. This all can contribute in exposing a government. I mean, all these reports, it can contribute in exposing a government. And to crown it all, I think I'm fed up with all these reports. And it's time Nigeria takes a better shape and comes out of this mess. What do you think, as well as you feel? Please share your comments and also drop your comments.